Hello everybody, I'm Luis and let's talk about selection in Revit API. Yep, I was using my plugin in Revit 25 and found a really strange stuff. Yeah, I have this plugin electrical utils when I can create a power in this endpoint, and also I can select a panel using the same commands. And if I click in here, I'm gonna open this option to select panel, but I have this allow multiple selection. That's odd. And I can click in multiple and select multiple panels actually. And I can set finish and I'm gonna finish the command. Everything looks fine, but this doesn't have in Revit 24. Or yeah, I can do the same and click in here, click in power again, and gonna select this one. Should work the same and doesn't have that option, but in here I have. Why? Yeah, that's really strange. And I can show that I can set panels in here like this one. Let's change the, what is it, name prefix. Let's put the name of the panel. Yeah, I can click in here, select this one, and I can put this in this panel, or can click again, select multiples and select both, but I'm pretty sure gonna select the lowest ID, I guess. Yeah, and I'm gonna select this one, even select both. Yeah, that's very strange. So let's take a look in the code. What is make that to happen? Because I was thinking was a default options, but no, you need to do some trickery. Yeah, let's go in my simple code. I'm gonna create a selection, simple selection, and let's remove this. Let's create a full selection stuff and var reference equal selection dot pick object, and that's basically what I need. And I'm gonna show the ID dot element ID. Yeah, I'm not gonna enter in other options like a selection filter. Yeah, but I could do a video in the future for that if you want. So give a like and give a comment so I can create a tutorial for that. Anyway, but let's go back in here, and if I build this project, should appear in my adding folder, other tabs, and I can click in here, and now I can select element. I can select this one, and I'm gonna be finishing. Where is my console? Yeah, I have the other stuff in that, but yeah, let's select this. This is the ID of this element, and everything's working, but I don't have that options for multiple objects. Yeah, why? Why that's happening? Yeah, if I press escape, should fail. Let's add a try in here, just not to annoy us. Yeah. Yeah, why that's happening? Yeah, one thing that this plugin is doing is using some asynchronous, I guess, or it's not running in the same command. It's running in the idle or the using external event. That's what this is doing. So probably that's why this is appearing. And yeah, that's the case. So let's go in the code and show that. If I go here and create a new class, I'm gonna use this one, a base template for my project. I have a external event handler. I have the external event handler. Here I'm gonna put all my commands. This is the name, and this is an extension just to make easier to create that. This event handler, and just let's copy this in here and put in here. Should do the trick. I need to replace this to this one. Great. And what else I need to do? Let's remove this for a second, and external event handle Pathfinder, this one. Yeah, I need this. Create, and then I'm gonna write state that. This is gonna trigger after this command finish. So that's gonna do the same thing. So if I go in here, yeah, clicking that, and now I have that multiple stuff. That's fun. Why that's happening? I can select these and these and these and these and these, and yeah, can finish that, but only gonna select one. That's really odd. Yeah. Let's try just to make sure. What happen if I add other options like objects like this? What's gonna happen if I have multiple objects? Clicking that. Yeah, I have the same thing with that enable. And I can select like this. Finish. That's so weird. That's really weird. Because if let's roll back this. Yeah, if I do something like this, look at that. First, I'm gonna select like this. Yeah, I have this multiple here and the finish stuff. So weird. And I can select like this. Yeah. And I can finish that. Great. And now I have this option. Whoa. I like this. But why? Why have two options? That's so weird. Finish. The most strange is this one. I have only one object in here. And I can convert to multiple for some reason. Yeah, look at that. Whoa, that's so strange. Anyway, yeah, that's it for this video. That's the most strange thing I ever found in Revit. Not actually not yet. Anyway, thanks for watching, and if you like this video, just give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and if you want to a tutorial for selection and stuff, give a comment. And that's it. Thank you. Bye bye.